Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by readying the host. Check that VTX or AMDV is enabled in BIOS, because without it performance and some guests will fail. Next, install your hypervisor like KVM or VirtualBox and its management tools. Once done, add your user to libvirt or VBox users so you can create VMs without root. You'll also prepare an ISO image and a storage location. Make sure permissions allow read/write so the installer can write disks. Now you create the VM and configure resources. Choose CPU count and RAM to match the workload, keeping host headroom. Create a disk image in QCOW2 for snapshots or RAW for raw performance. You'll see why QCOW2 is flexible. Attach the installer ISO and pick networking, NAT for isolation, bridged for LAN access, and enable graphics or use SSH for headless installs. Finally, set up any virtual TPM or secure boot if the guest demands it. Then start the installer. Finish by installing guest additions or drivers so you get clipboard, shared folders, and improved graphics. This also improves disk and network performance. Once installed, configure backups and snapshots and set CPU/memory limits to protect the host. If something goes wrong, don't panic. Check hypervisor logs and dmesk, confirm VM firmware type, BIOS versus UEFI, and that the disk format matches the controller. If the guest won't boot, verify ISO integrity and virtualization.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.